Good morning to everyone. This is R. Ramesh, working as Assistant Professor, CSA Department. Now, I'm dealing with the subject data structures. In this, we will learn about trees concept. So, in the previous videos, we have seen trees and tree terminology and binary trees. Now, in this video, we will learn about what is binary tree and what are the tree traversal techniques. Binary tree traversal techniques. Now, content. What is binary tree? What are the what is tree traversal? Types of tree traversal. So what is binary tree? You know that what is binary tree. So in general trees, every node can have many number of child nodes, right? But in the binary tree, we have maximum number of two children. That is at most two child. One is left child and another one is right child, right? So binary trees are representing like this. So we have A left B and A right is C, B left is D and B right is E, C left is F, C right is G and D left is H. This is called binary tree, one of the binary tree. Right? So different types of binary trees are there here. So those are AB, ABC in the left skewed, ABC is the right skewed, and ABC is left is the right is there here. This is left skewed, this is right skewed. Right? Now, what is tree traversal? So in the linear data structure, we are using display function for print or display the data, right? Means uh, like in trees, in the stacks we are using display function for displaying queue also, like linked list also. Like trees, in trees, visit all the nodes and print the display their values from root node to all subtrees leaf node is called tree traversal. Means generally we can represent the trees, right? So I want to print that nodes into our system or our black screen or our programming. How to print means by using tree traversals. Means visiting the each and every node in a tree is called traversal here, right? So every traversal starts from root node, always root node to particular leaf node, that is called tree traversal. So visit all the nodes in the tree. Next, types of tree traversals. Here we have three types of tree traversals are there. First one, pre-order. Second one, in-order. Third one, post-order. Right? So, what is the traversals means here? Visiting the each and every node in a tree is called traversal. And here we have three types of there. First one is pre-order. Second one is in-order. Third one is post-order. Pre-order. In the pre-order, we are using one formula, that is OLR. Here O means root node, L means left subtree, R means right subtree. Means first visit the root node, then after visit the left subtree, then after visit the right subtree. Okay, we have formula for pre-order for visiting all the nodes in a tree. First visit the root, means the importance is only first priority goes to root. Then after visit the left subtree, then after visit the right subtree of particular root node. So algorithm for pre-order is, we are taking pre-order root as a argument, and first of all print the root node data, means visiting the data. Then after recurs the pre-order left part and recurs the pre-order right subtree. We have left subtree and we have right subtree here. Right, this is the algorithm for pre-order. So first of all visit the root node, then after pre-order left subtree, pre-order right subtree, recursive functions are there. Now this is our binary tree. By using pre-order, how to visit all the nodes? One formula is root and left and right subtree, OLR is the formula. So we will see how many nodes are there here. 7 nodes are there. I'm taking indexes 0 1 2 3 4 6, 0 to 6. Now see what is the order we will display. So first of all, I am every order, every tree traversal starts from root node. Here root node is A, so I want to start from A. So A is the root node, right? According to formula, visit the root node first. Yes, here root node is, or A to D, E, F, G tree. In our tree, A is the root node. So visit the tree. So here I'm using green color for visiting nodes, visited nodes, right? So A is the root node, then print an output here printed. So then after go to left part. What is the left part of A? B, right? Assume B is a subtree or not. Is it a subtree? Yes, it is a subtree. Means subtree means that is root node, right? So A completed, A to B. I want to travel from A to B. Route is completed. I want to travel to left side of the A. What is left side of the A? That is also one of the subtree. In the subtree again apply the OLR formula. Means visit the root first, then after visit the left, then after visit the right. So in this subtree means in this subtree B subtree, what is the root node? B is the root node, right? So according to OLR formula, we visit the root node because B is the root node for subtree. Print an output. Fine. Next, after visiting the root node, check the left subtree. What is left subtree for B? D is the left subtree, right? But D is the subtree or only one node is there. Assume only one node is there. So then first of all visit root, then after visit left, then after visit right. Okay, root is completed for BDE. Then after visit the left part, then after visit the right part. According to OLR formula, O is the root, L is the left D, and R is the E. So now visit the D node. So print on D node because we don't have any subtree for D. That's why I'm printing directly D here. Okay, coming to the point here. Again, I'm explaining here. A root completed and BD is the subtree of A, right? In the subtree, B is the root node, right? Visit that root node first of all, right? Then after go to left of B, check whether the subtree or not. It is not a subtree, right? Because only one node is there. Then that's why you are visiting only left part of B. So D is visited. Then after go back. What is the right part of B? That is E. So E is visited. Okay. Root completed, left completed, right completed. If we assume B is the root node, B is the root completed, left of B D completed, and right of B that is E completed. That is O L R. O is B, L is D, R is E. Right? So then after go back. That is here. So this is root, this is left. So root is A completed according to formula, left subtree completed, right? Then after right subtree, we are thinking about right subtree. That is pre-order formula. Okay, now got it here. First of all, in our tree, A is the root node. Then after going to left subtree is BDE. Again apply the OLR formula here. Means in the BDE subtree, B is the root node, right? Root visited. What is left of root? B root, assume B is the root, D is the left, right? Left part visited, and right of B, that is E visited. So this is total subtree is left of the A, right? Left subtree completed. So according to formula, root completed, left completed. Now think about right subtree. So now again we can apply the same formula, Euler formula for right subtree. Here right subtree is CFG, right? Right subtree is CFG. Again apply the Euler formula. If you apply the Euler formula here, what is the root node here? C is the root node. According to formula, visit the root. Means next visited node is C. Then after left subtree. What is left of C? F. F is a subtree or normal leaf node. So if it is a leaf node, visit that one simply. So C F means root completed, left completed. Then after go to right part. So see here. So coming to the right subtree, C is the root node or not? Yes, C is the root node. So visit that root node first of all. Yes, print an output. Okay. So then after left part, what is the left of C? F completed. OLR formula O completed, that is C completed. Left part F, F completed. Print an output. Then after right part, what is right of C? G completed, right? Right. Now all nodes are completed. See, right subtree also completed here. Right. So according to Euler formula, root is visited first. Okay, root visited first, and left subtree visited. That is left subtree visited. Those are BDE elements. In that BDE elements, we are applying the Euler formula. That is in the BD in the left subtree. What is the root node B? Oh, root node visited. Then after left node D visited. Then after right node E visited. Now coming to the right subtree. In the right subtree, what is the root node? C is the root node. C visited. O, then after L is F, and after R, right is G, right? So according to formula Euler, in our tree, root completed, left completed, right subtree completed. So this is the pre-order for our following binary tree diagram. So in the pre-order, root is always first. So in the tree, A is the root node, right? A is the root node. Then after importance is left subtree, that is BDE, right subtree is CFG. Now in order. In order means use the formula LOR technique. L means first of all visit the left subtree, then after visit the root node, then after visit the right node. Right? In the in order, root node is always middle. First of all visit the left subtree, then after visit the root node, then after visit the right node. So this LOR formula is applying on every subtree, internal every subtree. Right? So algorithm for in order, we are passing root as the argument. In order left node, visit the root node, then after again right subtree. So left subtree is there here, that is root left, print means visiting the root node, that is root node data, and in order right recursive function, that is right subtree. So this is the algorithm for in order. So in the in order, first of all visit the left subtree, then after second priority is root, then after right subtree. So this is our binary tree. We are taking 7 boxes here. Now every in order every tree traversal starts from root node only, right? In the root node here, in the tree, A is the root node. We are starting from root node. Is there any left? According to LOR formula, check L is left, R is right, O is root. Okay. Is there any left for A? Yes. B is there. Is there any left for B? Yes. D is there. Is there any left for D? No. Right? Then print that D means D visited. So then after visiting the left node, what is the next step? Root is the visiting. What is the root of D here? B is the root node, right? So B is the root node of D. According to LOR formula, left is visited. According to LOR formula, left is visited. Left wing of B is D, right? Right? Then after root, what is root? Means D root is B here. So visit the B here. Then after right part, coming to the right, check that is a tree or subtree or not. It is not a subtree, right? If it is subtree, again apply the LOR formula. But it is not a subtree. Only just one node is there. That's why LOR. What is the R here? Right is E for B. Means right of B is E. So E is visited according to LOR formula. Now coming to back here, right? There are no nodes here. Already all nodes are visited. Right? Coming to back here, left part completed. According to LOR formula, left subtree completed. Then after root. Okay. Then after root. So this LOR formula is applying for entire tree and subtree. Okay. Entire tree and subtree. Remember. So what is the root node here? A is the root node. So visit that node. Right, root also visited. Now think about right subtree. Again check right subtree is containing single node or subtree. Single node or subtree. Right, it is a subtree, right? Now traveling to find out left node. Is there any left node for C? Yes. F. Is there any left node for F? No. So visit left part, that is F visited, because F is left of C. Then after root node, what is root of F? C is the root of F. Visit that node, right? So then after right part, what is the right of C? G. Check whether G is a subtree or not. It is not a subtree. It is containing only one node, right? Only one node means left completed, root completed, right. So here right of C is G, right? G visited. So right part also, right subtree also completed, right? So according to in-order formula, first of all we did the left subtree. Left subtree nodes are BDE. So BDE completed. Then after root at middle. Then after right subtree nodes are FCG. Right? This is the way. In the in-order formula, in-order traversals, root node is always middle. Here, observe here, BDE are three nodes, left of A means left part of A, FCG are right subtree of A. So A is the middle node. This is left subtree, this is right subtree, this is root. So after drawing the in order for the following binary tree, check by using this diagram. Means it is containing the left nodes or not, it is containing right nodes or not by using LR formula. Next one, post order. In the post order, we are using LRO technique, left root right. Means first of all visit left subtree, then after visit right subtree, and finally visit the root node here, right? Formula algorithm is post order, first visit the left subtree recursive and right subtree recursive, then after print the root node data, right? So this is our binary tree. We have 7 nodes, 7 boxes are there here. According to LRO formula, first of all, complete left subtree nodes, then after right subtree nodes, and finally visit the root node. So that formula is applicable for all subtrees. So travel from root node. So is there any left? SB is there. Is there any left? SD is there. Is there any left part? No. So visit that D first of all. So then after right, what is right means? What is the root node of D here? B is the root node means go back and check whether the right is there for B or not. Yes. Is there any right for B? Yes. Which is that one? So left completed and right completed. Now visit root node. What is the root node for D and E? That is B, right? Again come back and visit B. Now got it? So check left, left, left. Is there any left for A? S, B. Is there any left for B? S, D. Is there any left for D? No. So visit the left part. So which is the left part means? That is D. What is the D means? That is left of B, right? Now what is right of B? E. Visited. According to LRO formula, what is the root node? B is the root node. So visit that one. Again come back. Left part completed. Now think about right part. Right subtree. So according to right subtree, check whether the subtree or not as subtree. Is there any left for C? Yes. Is there any left for F? No. Simply visit the F. Visited. Next, right. What is right means? What is the parent of F? C, right? C right is G. I want to travel to G. So left completed of C and right completed of C, that is G printed. Now visit root node, that is C. According to LRO formula, left of C completed, right of C completed and root node, that is C completed. So this is totally right subtree, right? Left part completed of tree, right part completed of tree, then after visit the root node. In the post order, root node is always last node. So A is the here last node of tree. Got it? So this is the way we can insert the nodes. This is the way we can insert the nodes and we can draw the post order. So observe here LRO formula left, right, root, LRO. So Arithmetic expressions representing using in order. So the in order is used for representing the arithmetic expressions. According to arithmetic expressions, this is a binary tree, right? How to draw this expression by using this binary tree, right? So this is our expression a plus b into c minus d. How to draw this one? So first of all, in order, what is the formula? Left to root right. So visit the left. Is there any left for star? Yes. Plus is there. Is there any left for plus? Yes. A is there. Is there any left for A? No. Visit that A. First of all. Print on. Again. Root. According to LRO, left అయిపోయింది. Left completed. Then after root. What is the root of A? Star or plus. Plus is the root of A. Print plus. Then what is right? What is the right of plus? B. B completed. Again back. Left subtree completed. Then after. According to LRO formula, L completed. L of star completed. Then after visit the root node, that is star. Then after go to right part. In the right, it is also subtree. Again apply the LRO formula. Is there any left for minus? Yes, that is C. Is there any left for C? No. Then visit the simply left part. C visited. So minus left is C. C visited. Then after what is the root? C root is minus. Then after visit the minus. Then after is there any right for D? Yes. Is there any left for D? No. Simply visit the D only. So right subtree completed. So L completed, O completed, R completed, right? This is the constructing of the arithmetic expressions by using binary trees. So this is one more example, that is A into B plus C. So according to LRO formula, starts from root node. Is there any left for star? Yes, A is there. Is there any left for A? No. Visit that A. Come back. Left subtree completed. Now right. So before going to right, according to formula, after visiting the left part, visit the root node. What is the root node? Star is the root node. So visit the star. So then after right, is there any left for plus? Yes. Is there any left for B? No. Visit that node B. Right. Then after root, what is the root of B? Star. So visit the star, sorry, plus. Plus visit. Then after right of plus, that is C. C visited. Right. Right subtree also completed. So according to LOR formula, left part of star, that is A completed, root, that is star completed, and right, that is B plus C completed. Right. This is the way we can represent the or in order by using binary trees.